Have you ever seen confusion that industrial data can become? Factories generate thousands of data points every second from machines, sensors, databases, and monitoring systems. Yet, this information is often fragmented across multiple platforms, making decision-making slow and complex.
When critical information is difficult to access, companies face operational inefficiencies, delayed decisions, and missed opportunities to detect problems early. Industrial teams need eyesight, not more dashboards.
That's why we created Factor.AI. Factor.AI is an AI-powered industrial assistant designed for manufacturing environments. Our platform allows managers, engineers, and operators to interact with industrial data using natural language through text or voice.
Instead of searching through multiple dashboards, users simply ask, why did production decrease today? Are there any anomalies in the system? What caused machine downtime? Factor.AI analyzes connected industrial data sources and delivers real-time insights, anomaly detection, and actionable recommendations.
By combining conversational AI, explainable insights, and industrial data integration, Factor.AI helps teams make faster, smarter, and more informed decisions.
Transforming industrial data into actionable intelligence. The future of industry is not more dashboards, it's better decisions.